Big first political new attack in the Aryan drug case. Sensational claims by Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik alleging that the BJP leaders are a part of the NCB raid. He says, and I quote, there is a video that shows a man bringing in Arbaz merchant to the NCB office. This person is Manish Bhanushali, I beg your pardon, who is the vice president of some wing of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Bhanushali's social media profile shows pics with Devendra Fadnavis, unquote. So Nawab Malik going on to allege that there was BJP involvement in the Aryan drug case. It's a big first political attack that is coming in at the moment. It is a sensational claim being made by Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik alleging Bharatiya Janata Party leaders as a part of the NCB raid. Nawab Malik says, and I quote, there is a video that shows a man bringing in Arbaz merchant to the NCB office. This person is Manish Bhanushali, who is the vice president of some wing of the BJP. Bhanushali's social media profile shows pics with Devendra Fadnavis, unquote. Pawar's party jumping into this entire Aryan drug bust case. At the moment, what we're picking up is that there is a sensational claim being made by Nawab Malik. Let's see how the Bharatiya Janata Party responds over Nawab Malik's claims. This is a superstar drug bust case we're talking about, where Aryan Khan is still in NCB custody at the moment. Pawar's party jumping in, pointing a finger at the Bharatiya Janata Party. We're still awaiting a response from the BJP at the moment because the allegation is BJP linked to the Aryan Khan drug bust case by Nawab Malik. The drug bust case in which Arbaz and Aryan are both being questioned, and many other arrests have also been made. The drugs were recovered on board the Cordelia ship, if you remember, where Namaskar organized this particular rave party, where drugs were present at this rave party, and the NCB went ahead and made arrests from the Cordelia ship. But now politicking has begun. The first big political attack in the Aryan drug case. Sensational claims being made by Maharashtra Minister, who's alleging that the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders are a part of the NCB raid. Let's see how the BJP responds to this allegation. Nawab Malik has said that there is a video showing a man bringing in Arbaz merchant to the NCB office, and this person happens to be Manish Bhanushali, who's the vice president of some wing of the BJP. And Bhanushali's social media profile shows the photograph of pics of Devendra Fadnavis, who's the former Chief Minister of Maharashtra. That's the latest coming in at the moment as far as the Aryan drug case is concerned. The superstar drug bust case is concerned. First big political attack breaking here on India Today. Firsha Sahil with us. Let's go to Sahil for this sensational drama and the politicking that is taking place on the back of the drug bust case in Mumbai, where the NCB is also widening its net, recovering drugs from the Cordelia ship. They have recovered drugs already from Cordelia ship. They've recovered cocaine, charas, Meow Meow has also been recovered from that particular ship. They've recovered MDMA as well. It was a rave party which went bust thanks to the NCB intervening in the rave party and making the arrests on board Cordelia ship. And Aryan Khan and Arbaz merchant were the two who also got arrested alongside others. Sahil Joshi is getting us latest details. Sahil, first big political attack coming in the superstar drug bust case. First attack coming in from Nawab Malik, putting out allegations of the BJP leaders being a part of the NCB raid. Do we have any response from the BJP on this?
Well, BJP hasn't yet responded about it because just a while back, as we are speaking, the press conference is still on. So there is no reaction from BJP yet about this. Of course, there will be a reaction from the BJP. But the BJP had raised serious concern over the way the Mumbai police is acting. BJP leaders have raised questions that why, if the NCB can conduct such kind of raids, why not the anti-narcotics cell led by the Mumbai police unearth such kind of operations is what the BJP had alleged against the MVA government. Now it looks like that it's a it's a time when the NCP, Nationalist Congress Party, which is part of the MVA government, has returned back the allegation by asking specific questions. There are some visuals. What we can play around is that one man is seen carrying holding Arbaz on the day when the raids were conducted on the cruise liner on Saturday night, and Arbaz being brought to the NCB office. Normally, in these visuals, what we see is that the NCB officials normally carry the person who has been apprehended, are taken for questioning. They are the people who are seen with such accused people. But what Nawab Malik has specifically alleged, that the person seen in that visual is a BJP office bearer in Thane district. He is part of the BJP party. His Facebook profile shows the photographs of Manish Bhanushali, who is a BJP office bearer, along with the BJP leaders. It's a sensational claim made by Nawab Malik, and if I quote him specifically, Kamlesh Sutar, our correspondent, was there inside the press conference. Nawab Malik has specifically quoted that there is another video that shows that who is seen bringing Arbaz merchant to the NCB office. This person is Manish Bhanushali, who is a vice president of some wing of the BJP. Bhanushali's social media profile shows pictures with the Prime Minister, JP Nadda and Devendra Fadnavis. Why such private persons, what these private persons were doing along with the NCB officials at the time of raid. Further, the specific allegation made by Nawab Malik is that there was no seizure made on the cruise. All the photographs released by the NCB officials are the ones clicked in the NCB office. This is just to frame the people here, is what Nawab Malik has claimed. There is also a side angle to this. Nawab Malik's son-in-law was
get
also
this right.
arrested
Is
by
Nawab
the
Malik then insinuating that the NCB is acting at the behest of the Bharatiya Janata Party's instructions? Is that the insinuation coming in from Nawab Malik, or am I wrong on that?
No, absolutely. What you are hinting at is absolutely right. That is what Nawab Malik is actually hinting at. To quote Nawab Malik specifically, he's a minister in the MVA government. What he is saying is that, to quote Nawab Malik, my basic question is why private persons like Gosavi and Bhanushali, the KP Gosavi, the bald guy who was seen clicking a selfie with Aryan Khan inside the cruise terminal. NCB had said that the person doesn't belong to NCB, he doesn't work for NCB. Then the Nawab Malik asked that why, my basic question is why private persons like Gosavi and Bhanushali were doing there during the raids, is what the question being raised by the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi minister and NCP minister Nawab Malik today in the press conference. And what he is hinting at is that the whole seizure, the whole case is basically made up case. There is no seizure in this case. What NCB is trying to do is that framing the people here. They have shown the recovery at the NCB office. The recovery was not at the cruise, is what Nawab Malik is trying to imply. It's a very serious allegation, and it looks like that the Narcotics Control Bureau will have to come up with a specific reply to the allegations made by Nawab Malik, specifically with respect to Manish Bhanushali, who is a BJP party's some wings office bearer. His pictures are seen with various BJP leaders on his Facebook profile. And I tried to go and check his Facebook profile, which is locked at this point of time. But the pictures were also shown in the press conference. There was a proper PowerPoint presentation made by Nawab Malik. So he has come up with a proper, he was ready with all the allegations and then finally went ahead with the press conference. Chaiti.
Oh, absolutely. So this is a big attack. That is the first political attack that is coming in. Nawab Malik has pointed fingers at the BJP. We still have to wait for the BJP to respond. We still have to wait for a response to come in from the NCB as well. It's a big political explosion over this superstar drug bust. Sahil, for our viewers who have just tuned in, if you could just re-encapsulate this entire case for our viewers and with the latest political developments, Sahil.
As far as the developments are concerned, there are 4 people who were arrested yesterday, were taken to the court, and they have been remanded to the NCB custody. But the sensational allegations made by Nawab Malik, who is a minister in the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi government, what he is claiming that there are 2 people seen with the accused in this case. The first person is KP Gosavi, the bald guy whose picture went viral. He took a selfie with Aryan Khan, and the second picture is provided by a news agency in which a man holding Arbaz merchant's hand and bringing him to the Narcotics Control Bureau's office in South Mumbai on Sunday at the wee hours on Sunday morning. And that person, according to Nawab Malik, is nobody else but Manish Bhanushali, who is an office bearer of the Bharatiya Janata Party, the BJP. He is asking what these private persons were doing with the NCB officials and how they were allowed to be so close to the accused brought in by the NCB. That is the first allegation made by Nawab Malik. The second allegation, what he is saying, that the whole seizure shown by the Narcotics Control Bureau is fake. The pictures released by the Narcotics Control Bureau are actually the pictures taken inside the NCB office. There was no Panchnama done, and there is no seal which can be seen on normally whenever you conduct a seizure. You seal the whatever you have captured, and there is a proper Panchnama is done at the spot itself. But Nawab Malik is claiming that there was no proper Panchnama done, and the pictures were taken inside the NCB office. That is what Nawab Malik is claiming at this point of time. So these are the very serious allegations that what the private persons, and one of the person who is linked with the Bharatiya Janata Party was doing in the NCB raids, close to the very close to the accused. He was carrying the accused inside the NCB office. And the second allegation is about the seizure, which Nawab Malik claims is completely fake.
Absolutely. So there you go, Sahil Joshi, with those exclusive details and the first political attack that is coming in the Aryan drug case. NCP questions, who is this man alongside Aryan Khan? Sensational claims coming in from the Maharashtra minister right there. Nawab Malik alleging BJP leaders part of the NCB raid. He says, and I quote, there is a video that shows a man bringing in Arbaz merchant to the NCB office, and the person is Manish Bhanushali, who is the vice president of some wing of the BJP. Bhanushali's social media profile is showing pictures with Devendra Fadnavis. So fingers being pointed at the Bharatiya Janata Party right there in Maharashtra. We have to still get a reaction coming in from the BJP on these allegations that are being made, but this is a sensational charge coming in by NCP's Nawab Malik, Pawar's party jumping in, pointing fingers at the BJP. Sahil Joshi still continues to be with us at the moment. Sahil, do we have any updates?
See, we are also waiting for the BJP's reaction. I guess that after the press conference is over, the BJP will also find out that what exactly has happened. The profile clearly says that Manish Bhanushali is from it's from the Mumbai suburbs, and he also has said that his hometown is in Kutch in Gujarat. He keeps visiting Gujarat is what we can see from his profile. What Nawab Malik has also raised the question that on 21st and 22nd of the September, he was in Gujarat at that time, and what was he doing in Gujarat? Because that is the same time what Nawab Malik claims is that there were narcotic substances were found at the Mundra port, and is he somewhere linked to that particular seizure as well, is what also Nawab Malik has raised in the press conference. So, you know, the whole episode of Aryan Khan, because the first of all, day before yesterday, the NCB officials made it clear in the court when the magistrate asked them that what have you seized from Aryan Khan, because there is a charge of consumption against him. The charge of purchase of narcotics substances also are against Aryan Khan. The Narcotics Control Bureau officers have negated that they have not seized any narcotic substance from Aryan Khan's. There was no, he was not in possession of any narcotic substances. Also, yesterday, the Narcotics Control Bureau officers, when asked by the magistrate, have clarified that none of the arrests made after the apprehension of the 8 accused, none of the arrests have been made from the interrogation details they have received from Aryan Khan. So, you know, the whole case is now got into this political fight as well.
Absolutely.
With NCP chief spokesperson and the minister making these allegations.
And we will wait for that reaction to come in from the BJP and see how NCP responds to this allegation as well.